Hi students, again we are going to see the same lesson, A Trip to Bhopal. A Trip to Bhopal. Now open your book to the page number 28. See, to Bhimbetka. To Bhimbetka, after the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. Anjan, what is Bhimbetka? Miss Raina, it is a place with lots of caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. 10,000. 10 means you have to write 10, that is called 10. 1000 means 30. So 10,000 years ago. Sumanto, 10,000 years. I can't even think of 1,000 years back. 1,000 means 1, 1,000 means 30. 1,000 means 30 will come. Gopi, oh, 1,000 years is big thing. I can't even think of 100 years. 100 years means 100. That is called 100. Gauri, Gauri, I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. My father's grandmother, not her grandmother, her father's grandmother. So, great grandmother. Manjit, that means those caves are almost 100 great grandmothers old. 100 great grandmothers. 100. What is one grandmother's age? 100. So 100 into 100. How many 0? Already I said don't consider the 0. You just consider the number. 1 into 1, 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then finally you add the zeros. See. Now it will become 10,000. Everybody burst into laughter. Ha 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 ha. Now the children are really excited to see the cave paintings. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. See, when they reach at 11 o'clock to Bhimbetka. Wow! Even 10,000 years ago, people made such lovely paintings. The two on rocks. See, even 10,000 years, people made such lovely paintings. They made paintings in the rock. Next. Oh, these rocks are thousands of years old. These rocks are thousands of years old. Look at the next page. Shankar. This painting also has very big bisons. Bisons means in Tamil, kaattirudu. Hey, I got an idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deer in the paintings. Bonamala, I will count people. Let us see which are almost bisons, deer or people. See, Shankar count how many bisons? 34, 35, 36, 37. I got 37 bisons. See, Bonamala counted deer. 112, 113, 114. I got 117 deer. A. See, yeah. How many more deer are there than bisons? How many more deer are there than bisons? See, deer is more and then the bison is red. They ask how many more than bison? How many more deer than bison? Total number of deer 117. Minus, why we want to minus? Why we want to subtract? Because how many more deer than bison? Bison vida எவ்வளோ டியர் நிறைய இருக்குது. ஸோ we have to subtract. 117 minus 37. See, 117 minus 37. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 3 is not possible. So we want to borrow it. Here it will become 0. Here it will become 11. So 11 minus 3. How many bisons will come? Sorry, how many? 11 minus 3, 8. So totally 80 deer more than bison. 80 deers are more than bison. But Bonamala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bisons together. What is mean by together? Together means we want to add. Her count is less than 200. See, first we want to add the number of bisons and number of bisons and number of deer. So 117 plus 37. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. See, 154. So totally the number of deer and the bisons together is 154. Her count is less than 200. Less than 200 means not more than 200, less than 200. See, her counting is more than 152 and less than 200. How many people must Bonamala have counted? See what I said? 154 more than people but less than 200. See, people is more than 154 and less than 200. How many people must Bonamala have counted? See, this is more than 200. And then these two are not equal to number of deers and bisons together. That is more than. So more than 154. It won't come. 214 and 150 also. 4 also won't come. And 134, that is less than 154. So she has counted 177 people. The guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. How many cave paintings? 600 cave paintings in all. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. They have spent 1 hour there. What time is it? See, in which time they reached Bhimbetka? 11 o'clock. They spent 1 hour. So you add 1. 11 plus 1, 12 o'clock. See, what is the time? Is it now? The time is 12 o'clock. They are now moving towards Bhopal. They should reach there is less than 1 hour. At about how many? At about dash o'clock. See, 12 after in clock. 12 after what number will come? 1. See, it is they should reach there in less than 1 hour. Less than 1 hour means in between 12 and 1. So at about 1 o'clock they will reach Bhopal. Turn the next page. Lunchtime. The children are hungry by this time, so they take out their lunch packs. Biscuits, orange and bananas are also distributed in all the buses. Each child is to be given 1 orange, 1 banana and 5 biscuits. How many? 1 orange, 1 banana and 5 biscuits. All the children take oranges, biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. See, all the children takes oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. Now, how many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed? Now, I am going to briefly explain on the board. Look at the board. Now, look at the question. How many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed? See, how many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed? Solution. Each child is to be given how many orange? 1 banana and 5 biscuits. Each child is to be given 1 orange, 1 banana and 5 biscuits. See, 38 students do not take bananas. 38 students do not take bananas. Now, total number of students going to a trip. How many students are going to trip? 210 students. See, each student was given 1 orange, 1 banana and 5 biscuits. Already I read. First, we are going to calculate the orange. Total refused to take bananas. Then total number of students who took bananas. See, here we want to subtract. Total number of students, subtract, minus 30 students refused to take bananas. So 210 minus 38. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So we want to borrow. Here it will become 0. Here it will become 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. Here 0. 0 minus 3 is not possible. So borrow will become 10. Here 10 minus 3, 7 and then 1. So totally 172 students only took bananas. Total number of biscuits distributed to 210 students. Each students they distributed how many biscuits? 5 biscuits. So 210 into 5. Already I said don't consider the 0. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. At last you add the 0. So totally they distributed 210 oranges, 172 bananas and 1050 biscuits. Manjit, Banu quickly finished their lunch and start asking puzzles to pass the time. Manjit, tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. Exactly between 100 and 150. Banu, 120? No. 130? No. It is 125. What is the exact number between 100 and 150? If you don't know the answer, you just add this two number. 100 plus 150. If we add, you will get 250. Exactly between means we want to divide. So if we divide 250 divided by 2, we will get answer. See, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, here 1 will come, 2 5s are 10. So what is the exact number? 125. See, exactly between means first you add this two number, then divided by 2, you will get the between number. Manjit, right, okay. You ask now. Other children join in. Everyone is asking puzzling question. See, first question. I gave 4 toffees, each to 4 of my friends, and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? See, 4 toffees, 4 toffees, each to 4 of my friends. See, 4 toffees to 4 friends. Each friends they gave 4 toffees. And 3 toffees are left. Totally, how many toffees did he has? See, 4 4s are 16. That means 4 into 4, 16 plus 3. So totally 16 plus 3, 19. So how many toffees did I have? I have 19 toffees. Next, B. What numbers can you make using 3, 5 and 7? See, you can make 357 and 537. What is others? See, 357, 537. Next, 735. Next, 753 we will make. Using the numbers 3 and 5, we will make 735 and 753. Next, see, a number become double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? Double means we want to multiply into 2. So 8 2s are 16. So what is the number? The number is 16. Next, think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3, 5 and comes between 25 and 50. Now we are going to write in between the number 25 to 50. What are the number? You leave it 25 and 50. Except this number you can write 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and then 46, 47, 48, 49. Why? Because we have to, they asked in between number of 25 and 50. So we have leave 25 and 50. Next, they ask which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5. Which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5. See, two tables. In two tables, the numbers are ended with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. In two tables, the numbers are ended with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So, what are the numbers ended with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 that are divisible by 2? See, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. These numbers are ended with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So here you write 2 is divided by 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. Next, the numbers are divisible by 3. 3 tables, 3 nines are 27. So, you start from 3 nines are. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. 3 elevens are 33. 3 twelves are, see, 3 twelves are 36. 3 13s are 39. 3 14s are 42. 3 15s are 45. Next, 3 16s are 48. And then 3 17s are that is 52, that is more than 50. So in between 25 to 50, these numbers are coming. What are the numbers? 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45 and 48. See, and then numbers are divisible by 5. See, in 5 tables, what are the numbers will come? 5, 0, 5, 0. 5, 0 numbers only it will come. So, what are the numbers ended with 5, 0? See, 30, 35, 40, 45. So, what are the numbers divisible by 5? 30, 35, 40, 45. Next, E. A small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeter. How much time will it take to climb 2 centimeter? See, a small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute. See, now it is look like a 3 centimeter pole or wall, whatever. 3 centimeter pole or wall. See, a small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute. See, now it is climbing on the wall 3 centimeter. It goes 3 centimeter in how many minutes? In 1 minute. But slips down 2 centimeter. Slips down means it comes downwards. 2 centimeter it comes downwards. They ask how much time will it take to climb 2 centimeter. See, in one minute it climbs 3 centimeter and slipped down 2 centimeter. Why I subtract? Slipped down means it comes opposite direction. So opposite direction means we want to subtract. 3 centimeter minus 2 centimeter 1 centimeter. In 1 minute, he traveled only 1 centimeter. It climbs. Next, they ask in 2 minutes. How much time will it take to climb 2 centimeter? 2 centimeter means we want to multiply with 2. 1 2 is 2. That is equal to 2 centimeter. Here also you multiply with 2. So 1 into 2, 2. So totally 2 minutes it will take to climb 2 centimeter. Next, look at here. Which boat do we take? They are so lost in puzzles. They are so lost in puzzles that they do not notice they have reached the lake. It is very big lake with a small island in it. In between the lake that is called island. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children given their popcorn. See here, this is the lake. In that lake, there is a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. Now comes the exciting part. It is a time to go for boating. They have to choose which boat to take. But that is not easy. Look at the next page. There are different kinds of boats. Each has different ticket price and also different trip times. Name of the boat, ticket price, trip time. See, first one is double decker. Ticket price is rupees 30. Timing 45 minutes. Second one, paddle boat. Ticket price 15. Timing 30 minutes. Next, motor boat. Ticket price rupees 25 and timing 20 minutes. And fourth one, boat with oars. That is ticket price is rupees 15. Timing 45 minutes. See, 4 of us will take a paddle boat and race with Gauri and her group. See, 4 of us will take a paddle boat and race with Gauri and her group. We will take the motor boat. It is costly but fun zoom. See, motor boat cost is rupees 25. One ticket price is rupees 25. Next. See, let us take the oar boat. It is not costly. And we get more time for peaceful ride. See, in motor boat means the operator will come. In oar boat means we can drive. We can ride in the oar boat. Hey, we are going on the double decker. It is also has music. It cost a lot, but we get more time. See, in double decker, the ticket price is 30, but trip timing is 45 minutes. Next, Indra and Banu first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. See, first they went into motor boat, then they took oar boat. How much did they pay for both the boats? See, for motor boat, what is the cost? Rupees 25. For 2 members means 25 into 2. See, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 50. Next, then they took oar boat. Oar boat cost is rupees 15. For 2 members means 15 into 2, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 1 is 2, plus 1, 3. So, 50 plus 30, we want to add 50 plus 30 equal to 80 rupees. So, totally they paid for both boats rupees 80. First, we want to calculate for motor boat. Next, we want to calculate for oar boat. Finally, we want to add these two amounts. How much time did they get for the both rides? See, in motor boat they took 20 minutes and in oar boat they took 45 minutes. We want to add 20 plus 45. So, 20 plus 45, 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 2, 6. Totally they took 65 minutes. 65 minutes. Next, one group of children went for the double-decker trip They paid rupees 450 in total. See, one group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double-decker trip? They asked how many children went for the double-decker trip. So here we want to divide. Then only we have find out the how many children went for the trip. See, the cost of double-decker ticket price is 30. For one children, 30. One children, 30 rupees. But they paid how much? Rupees 440. Rupees 440. If we divided 450 divided by 30, we will get how many children went for the double-decker trip. See, 450 divided by 30. See, 0, 0. 3, 1 is 3. Here it will become 15. So, 3 5s are 15. So, 3 5s are 15. So totally how many children went? 15 children. See, for one children rupees 30. But they paid 450. How we calculate how many children went for the trip? So, we want to divide. Less means we want to divide. Then we have to find out. How many children went? 15 children. Which boater makes 2 trips in 1 hour? Now, look at the tabular column. Which boater makes 2 trips in 1 hour? 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 16 minutes. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. They ask 2 trips. See, here 2 trips means it will come 90 minutes. 2 trips means you have to multiply with 2. So, 45 into 2, it will become 90. Here 30 into 2, that is 60 minutes. So, paddle boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour. So, write here paddle boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour. Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Now again look at the tabular column. Half an hour means half of 60. That is 60 divided by 2. That is equal to 30 minutes. So which boat takes less than half an hour? Less than half an hour means not 30, below 30. Below 30 only motor boats. So motor boats only took 20 minutes. So here you write motor boat take less than half an hour to complete a trip. Here you write motor boat. Which boat gives them most timing taking the least money? See, which boat gives the most timing taking the least money? Again see the tabular column. Look at the tabular column. Double decker and boat with oars. They both are taking the most time. See, 45 minutes. Here also 45 minutes. But look at the ticket price. Double decker is rupees 30 and boat with oars is rupees 15. So here you write which boat gives them most timing and the least money. Comparing 30 and 50, which is the least money? 15. So here you write boat with oars. So boat with oars give the most time taking the least money. Next, John went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40. See, Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which 2 boats did he take? See, he paid rupees 40 and timing he took 50 minutes. Now look at the tabular column again. Then we have to find out which 2 boats did he take. First we want to calculate the ticket price and timing also. See, first we have to take double decker and paddle boat. 30 plus 15, 45. But he paid only rupees 40. So it is not double decker. He did not take double decker and paddle boat. Next you consider paddle boat and motor boat. See, 15 plus 25. If we add 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So the amount is same. Next we have to calculate the timing. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. So that is correct. So totally he paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which two boats he took? Paddle boat and motor boat. Sorry. Next, time to return. Children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. It is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. See? So they should reach Hosangabad by dash o'clock. See, they started at 4 o'clock. Within, they reach back in 2 hours. So 2 hours means 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. So they should reach Hosangabad by 6 o'clock. Next, find out. Have you ever been on a school trip? How many children were there in all? How did you go and how far? How much time did it take? Try to find out the cost of travel for each child. See, this is for yourself. In last year we went to a school trip, no? Where that Karaikal, Pondicherry, we went, no? So you just calculate. Next, practice time. There are 4 very old very old cave paintings. Mark the oldest. Oldest means we have to mark. Comparing 4,200, next 1,000, 8,500 and 1,300. Which is the biggest number? Comparing 4,200, 1,000, 8,500, 1,300. 8,500 is biggest number. So mark the oldest means the big number only will come. So 8,500 years old. Next, one bus can carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? See, more means we have to multiply. So 48 into 3. 3 8s are 24. Carry 2. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So totally, how many children can carry the buses? 140. So nearly 150. That is close to 150. Not 100 or 200. Nearly 150. Which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? See, which pair of numbers add to make more than 500. Have to add these 2 numbers. See, if we add 300, so first 152 plus 241. See, 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 5, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. Next, 2 plus 1, 3. 9 plus 2, 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Next, here. See, both are less than. Here 300 minus 1, we will get 219. Here 100 minus 1, we will get 99. If we add 300 plus 100, we will get 400. So 400 minus 2, 398. If we add 99 plus 299, we will get 398. If we add 401 plus 91, we will get 492. So which is more than 500? B. What happened? Fourth one, what happened at what time? Draw lines to match. See, cross the Narbada bridge at 19. Look at the Bhimbetka paintings at 11:30 a.m. So draw the line. Next, at the petrol pump 9:30 a.m. Boating the lake 3 p.m. Next, had a lunch at 12:30 p.m. Return to Hosangabad 6 p.m. Thank you, students.